Welcome to the wonderful artistic sound of some of today's most talented. For the first time, you're about to hear the extraordinary artistry of several special individuals whose work comprises the International Library of Poetry, editor's favorite poets.
The following poem rhythmically abounds with deep reverence for God. In its repetition and pacing, we glimpse the fervent devotion that characterizes those with a truly abiding faithfulness. We nearly feel that we are standing in the back of the church. Charles Ernest Fitzgerald of Lakeland, Florida, gives us Just After. Just after I called on Jesus, he came into this heart of mine. Just after he filled me with his Spirit, he gave me peace so divine. Just after the sound of the trumpet, he's coming after you and me. Just after we enter heaven, his blessed face we shall see. I'm not after this world's goods or its pleasures. I'm not after just having a good time. I'm just after my Lord and my Savior. I'm just after making Jesus mine. Charles Ernest Fitzgerald. The use of symbolism in the preceding piece exhibits a certain level of poetic artistry. The poem taken as a whole asserts meaning because we perceive the concept standing behind the symbolism. The following poem rhythmically abounds with deep reverence for God. In its repetition and pacing, we glimpse the fervent devotion that characterizes those with a truly abiding faithfulness. Charles Ernest Fitzgerald of Lakeland, Florida, writes, Just let me be with Jesus. When I get to heaven, my mansion won't mean a thing. I want to see Jesus, my Lord and my King. He's worth all the struggles I've had here below. Just let me be with Jesus and bask in his glow. You can have all the gold heaven's streets are made of. You can have the gates of pearl. Just give me God's love. Just to be with Jesus is reason enough for me. Just let me be with Jesus for all eternity. Just let me be with Jesus in heaven someday. Let me see Jesus who washed my sins away. I'll let you have my mansion and all the riches there. Just let me be with Jesus, for nothing can compare. Charles Ernest Fitzgerald. And this is Alan Rose. It's been my pleasure to be your host for the presentation of this collection of poetry. We do hope that you have enjoyed the rendering of the creativity and artistry of these outstanding poets as you've listened to the album, The Sound of Poetry.